Just want to show you this machine. It's a Consew 104-1T. It's a beautiful machine. It's a hand wheel, you know, embroidery machine. It comes with the manual. It comes with like few parts over here. It comes with, of course, the business card, which is this one here. Always the business card gonna be over there. And we have the parts for this machine. We have all the parts for this machine, include the oil, lights, and everything. It comes with a servo motor. Beautiful machine. I'm gonna show you how this machine works, but next time we're gonna give you like more informations about this machine, about the needle, how to set the needle, how to thread it. So the machine, just like you turn on the motor, get the hand wheel down, and then you start working. That's it. It's a beautiful machine.